It is hot out here. Out in the Australian outback, Jeddah, who's 10 years old, is on a farm right out in the middle of nowhere. She's 500 kilometers from the nearest farm. She lives on a huge cattle ranch with her family, and her best mate Cohen lives on the next ranch miles and miles away. So she wants to think of a really good way to get messages from where she is round to Cohen's house. So she wants to build a car. She has this idea for a really cool remote control car that doesn't need petrol to go. She needs to find another way of powering that car, and she has asked you to help prototype a rubber band powered car. So this is going to use just simple equipment that you have in your Curiosity Box packs to develop a car that Jeddah can use to get messages across to her friend Cohen at the next farm along. Now, Jeddah, living out in outback Australia, she gets access to the School of the Air. Now, the School of the Air is for children who cannot get to a physical school like you guys are in. That's because it's too far away and just impractical. So the School of the Air, they do all of their lessons over the radio. Now, they can communicate with each other a little bit through the radio, but they want to be able to send physical things to each other. So can you help to prototype a rubber band racer car that can go really far, quite fast, just using the power of a rubber band? Because if we can get that right, then Jeddah can use other forms of energy to power her car and get her messages and her things across to her best mate Cohen. Are you ready to help? Great, Curiosity Cadets! Do your best and have fun!